dropship with 1688. Follow these steps to start selling products from 1688 without holding inventory. Create a 1688 account. Visit 1688.com and register an account. Fill in your details such as phone number and password. If you are unfamiliar with Chinese, use a browser with translation tools. Research and select products. Use the search bar to find products you want to dropship. Look for popular, high-demand products that align with your target market. Check for reliable suppliers by reviewing their ratings and feedback. Use a dropshipping app. Since 1688 doesn't have direct integration with platforms like Shopify, use third-party dropshipping apps that support 1688 products. These apps allow you to import products directly to your online store. Import products to your store. Once you find a product on 1688, use a dropshipping app to import it into your online store. Customize the product's description, price, and images to match your store's branding. Set up payment and shipping. Set up your preferred payment gateways and define your shipping policies in your store. When an order is placed, you will order from 1688 and provide the customer's shipping details to the supplier. Fulfill orders. Once an order is made on your store, forward the customer's details to the 1688 supplier, who will ship the product directly to your customer.